4-piece data cable storage organizers. These are very beautiful 4-piece data cable organizers. You can use it to store your data cables easily, and you can buy it from AliExpress. Links in description box. Desktop folding makeup mirror with storage box organizer. This is a very beautiful cat ear storage vanity mirror, and you can buy it from AliExpress. I mentioned all the links in the description box. Cute data cable storage box. This is a very beautiful storage box for your data cables. You can also store your hair accessories. You can keep this box in a drawer easily. You can buy it from AliExpress. Links in the description box. Korean jewelry box. This is a very beautiful and a very cute Korean jewelry box. You can store all your earrings here. You can store all your bracelet, your rings, your different any other jewelry here. This is a very unique and a very beautiful jewelry box, and you can buy it from AliExpress. I mentioned all the links in the description box. Kawaii desktop storage pen holder. This is a very beautiful Kawaii rabbit storage pen holder. You can store all your stationery things here, and this is a very good material. You can not only store your stationery, but you can also store your cosmetic things like your makeup brushes, and this looks so beautiful. Under the desk pen shelf holder DIY. This is a very unique and a very beautiful desk shelf holder, and you don't need to hold on it. This is a self-adhesive pen holder. You can store your secret things. You can store your stationery that you need most. You can buy it from AliExpress. I mentioned all the links in the description box. You just check this out. Creative desktop storage baskets. These are very beautiful creative baskets. You can decor it in your living room. The cat ear looks so beautiful. These are woven cotton storage baskets. These are available in different colors. You must buy it. Links to all the gadgets in the description box. You can buy it from AliExpress. Desktop folding shelf organizer rack. This is a very beautiful desktop rack. You can decor your desktop with these beautiful DIY racks, and you can organize your many of your cosmetic things here, and you can use it very easily. Cute rabbit bear phone iPad stand holder. These are very beautiful stand holders. You can stand your mobile. You can also stand your iPad if you need to read anything, if you want to see anything. This is a very beautiful and a very useful. You can buy it from AliExpress. Links in description. Korean plaid tablecloth. This is a very beautiful Korean plaid tablecloth, and this is not only a one print. There are many of the prints available now. You can check all the prints, all the details. I mentioned the links in the description box. This is a strawberry tablecloth. You must buy it. You must decor your tables with these tablecloths. All the links in the description box. You can buy it from AliExpress. Hair cloths. These are very beautiful Korean hair cloths. These are available in different colors like coffee, black, brown. They are very beautiful, and you can wear it on many occasions like Christmas, party, wedding, birthday, anniversary. You can also gift it to your friends because they look so beautiful, and you can also style it. Kawaii fabric desktop storage boxes. These are a very cute mini Kawaii rabbit storage boxes. You can decor your desk with these beautiful rabbit basket. They are available in different colors. You can buy it from AliExpress. Cute plush carpet. This is made of very high quality polyester, soft and comfortable, strong and durable. The bear shaped shaggy and fluffy rug are soft to touch, simple and cute. The rug has super soft, shaggy surface, non-slip plastic stains. Bottom makes it non-slip and protect you from falling. Dress up your floors with this rug. Cute daisy flower neck pillow. This is a very cute, beautiful flower neck pillow. You can use it anywhere. You can use it in many ways, like in your home, like in your car, in your chair, for rest, for your sleep. This is a very beautiful and a very fluffy. You can use it and you just feel so happy and so relief. You must buy it. Everything available on AliExpress, links in description. Cartoon bear pillow cushion. This is made of very high quality plush and a fiber filling. The cartoon shape cute and healing with elastic band on the back. Simply pick up the pillow and carry it with you to increase comfort anywhere in the house. Retro LED desk lamp. This is made of high quality plastic material. It can be charged with a USB data cable. It can be used while charging. There are 3 levels of adjustment: natural light, warm light and a white light to meet your different needs. One button to adjust the light intensity and a short press to switch between different lights and long press to adjust brightness. This is suitable for your bedrooms, gifts, bars, restaurants, all romantic places. Kawaii Q storage box. Now these are another beautiful Kawaii Q storage boxes. You can layer it like this with different colors. These are very beautiful rabbit desktop storage boxes. They look so beautiful. You can arrange and organize your many of your stationery things here. All the students must love this thing. You can also gift it to your friends. Desktop mini trash can. Now this is another beautiful desktop mini trash can for you to arrange your desk with this beautiful trash can. Reusable gel hand warmer. This is perfect for cold days out and cold days in the office or at home. This warm up your hands immediately and keep you warm for about half an hour. You must buy it. Links in description. Cartoon desktop standing and a folding makeup mirror. This is a very cute bunny large portable makeup mirror, and this is best for the students who is far away from home. This is for you to use it in a vanity makeup Kawaii mirror. If you like this product, links to all the products in the description box. Daily Moments Photo Message Erasable Board. This is a very beautiful erasable board for the daily moments. You can write a motivational message for yourself or for any of your family members and keep it on the shelf so anyone can read it. Headwear storage box. This is a very beautiful and large capacity children's hair accessories transparent head box. You can store many of your hair accessories here, and this is a transparent. You can see this, you can see through it. Heart-shaped children jewelry box. This is a very beautiful for the children. You can also gift it to your children on their birthdays, on any other occasions, because all the children must love these beautiful jewelry boxes. And look at the mirror. This looks so beautiful. You must buy it. Links to all the gadgets in the description box. You buy it from AliExpress. Links in the description. Cartoon character music box and also a jewelry box. This is a very beautiful jewelry box. You can see this, the princess rotating dancing decoration. You must buy it for your children's. You must buy it. Links in the description. You must buy it from AliExpress. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and listening.